In 43 CE, the Roman Empire, under the leadership of Emperor Claudius, embarked on a significant military expedition, the full-scale invasion of Britain. The motives behind this bold move were multifaceted, primarily centered on securing Claudius's new position as emperor and gaining prestige through military triumph. Claudius ascended to the throne after the dramatic assassination of his nephew, Caligula, in 41 CE. His rise to power was controversial and unexpected, partly due to his lack of military experience. Facing opposition from the Senate, Claudius was under pressure to assert his authority and prove his strength as a ruler. A grand military victory would not only secure the loyalty of the army, but also legitimize his rule in the eyes of his subjects and the Senate. The invasion was justified publicly as an intervention to restore Verica, a pro-Roman king who had been ousted by the anti-Roman Catuvellauni tribe. By framing the assault on Britain as a mission to support a Roman ally, Claudius presented the war as a necessity rather than an act of imperial aggression. The economic allure of Britain also played a significant role in Claudius's decision. The island was rich in natural resources, including precious metals such as gold, silver, tin, and lead. Beyond valuable ores, Britain could provide slaves and fertile farmland, bolstering Rome's economy. Claudius's ambitions went beyond mere territorial expansion. He aimed to complete the work started by Julius Caesar a century earlier, fulfilling the Roman ideal of conquering barbarian peoples and expanding the frontiers of the empire. Conquering Britain, an island of mystery across the sea, promised immense personal glory and popularity, cementing Claudius's legacy as a distinguished emperor. Strategically, Claudius sought to eliminate the threat posed by an independent Britain. Bringing Britain under Roman rule would stabilize the western edge of the empire, mitigating future threats. The invasion was initially led by the skilled General Aulus Plautius. However, Claudius soon arrived on British shores with reinforcements, including war elephants, for the final assault on the Catuvellaunian capital, Camulodunum, known today as Colchester. By partaking in the final capture, Claudius ensured he received the lion's share of credit for the successful conquest. The establishment of the Roman province Britannia marked the beginning of nearly 400 years of Roman rule. Claudius's strategic and ambitious invasion of Britain had not only secured his position as emperor, but also expanded Rome's illustrious empire further than ever before. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more royal history at your fingertips.